Good morning, mummies. I am so excited to take over Glow Dreaming's Instagram account today. My name is Elisha. I just got caught in the rain. I went out for an early coffee. Just driving home now, but I wanted to jump on and introduce myself. And as soon as I get home, I will introduce Leo. Morning. Have you got the hiccups? This is Leo. We're just about to have some breakfast. Was it yummy? We are all clean, nappy changed, new clothes, and we are just in a little Bonds long sleeve onesie and Bonds pants for the day because we're just at home for the day. Say hi. Hi. Leo is due, Papa. Say hi. Leo is due to have a nap. You can have a nap soon. But before that, I just wanted to show you. Oh, he's tired. I just wanted to show you his room and how we have it set up. So this is Leo's cot, and as you can see right beside is where his Glow Dreaming is set up. We have some toys and bookshelves. We love reading lots of books. Our rocking chair I like to feed in, and change table, so we do full-time cloth nappies. I've already had a question to show the routine, so I will do that. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and I will put Leo down for a nap shortly. Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about the cloth nappy routine. So before I go to bed at night, I put on a wash cycle of the cloth nappies, and I also fold a pile of clean cloth nappies. So in the morning I always have clean nappies ready to go. And okay, so I already have a pile of clean nappies in under Leo's change table, so I'll show you those ones once I hang out these ones. But basically I'm just going to show you how I hang out his nappies, and then I'll show you. I use this little mum hack for hanging out all his nappies. It's also super good if you've got like little socks or small items. So let me fill that. Okay, quickly while Leo is napping, I'll quickly show you what nappies we use. So for bedtime, we use a bamboo fitted cloth nappy, and a wool cover. So wool is actually one of the most breathable fabrics, and we don't have any leaks at night, which is amazing. And then during the day, I use the all-in-two cloth nappies. I love all the patterns. So it's Velcro. And then in there you have a long insert. You can either put it in there, or I just have them on top. If you're going for a car trip or something and you wanted some extra padding, you also have inserts. I don't use them every day, but just if we had a car ride or something like that. And then these are cloth wipes. And then over the normal day nappies, you can also use a cloth nappy cover. Just in case of any leaks. So that's my nappies we use. I also have swim nappies, and we're actually going swimming today. We've got swimming lessons, so I'm going to pack our swim bag. So nappy and swimmers, and I'm going to go grab towel and a change of clothes for me. And we'll take you swimming shortly. Glow Dreaming is amazing for any sleep regression or for starting at any age. When you actually purchase a bundle, you do a sleep quiz, and they give you advice and help based on your age and what challenges and things you might be having. So yeah, if you are struggling with your little one's sleep, I would highly recommend grabbing a bundle and then doing the quiz and being really honest about it when you ask the questions, like are you letting Bub self-settle, are you rocking them to sleep? Like, it's a whole list of questions. I honestly don't know the exact number of nappies I have, but when Leo wakes up, I'll go into his room and I'll count what we have, and I'll give you an exact number, and that's for full time. However, I will say that with cloth nappies, sorry, I got cut off a little bit there. What I was going to say is with cloth nappies, you can wash every 1 to 3 days, but I wash them every day. I don't need to. I have enough to probably go 2 or more days, but I just personally need to do them daily. I just have a good routine and I just prefer doing it that way. So I might have slightly less than the average, but I will show you what we have. Baby behinds are my favorite. We use the all-in-twos, and as I mentioned before, nighttime we use the bamboo fitted. They're super easy, Velcro, easy to do the liners. When he was a newborn and littler, sorry, it cut me off there. When he was little, and a newborn, we used the all-in-one newborns, and then the all-in-one small. However, you don't need to get different types. Like, these are all adjustable. So as you can see, he is on the second furthest clips, but it goes right down. So a newborn you'd have on that setting, and then you open them up full when he's... Okay, so I also run a marketing business, and in Leo's naps I try to get some work done. So I'm going to take a little break and go do my emails and get some work done, and then we will get in the car and into swimming, and then we'll have a little hello at swimming.